Welcome to this tutorial on the profile page. In this video, we'll walk through all the features and tabs available in your user profile, ensuring you can make the most of them. Let's get started. First, access the dashboard screen and open the user profile from the left panel. As you scroll down, you'll notice multiple tabs, each providing specific details about your profile. Let's explore each tab in detail. In the Posts tab, you'll find a list of all the posts you've created. These could include your own thoughts, content you've shared, or content reshared from other users. Each post allows you to like your post by clicking the like button. Add a comment to your post. Indicate a trend using one of the 3 trend buttons below the post. Bullish, neutral, bearish. At the bottom right of each post, you'll see the total number of likes, a count of bullish, bearish, and neutral reactions, and the number of comments. For additional actions, click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. From the pop-up menu, you can share the post by copying the link or sharing it directly to platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Reddit. Next, you can report the post by selecting the relevant reason, adding your comment if needed, and raising the report. Use more actions to move the post to your archive by adding a note and confirming the action. If you press more actions on an archived post, you will be given the option to permanently delete the post. The Liked tab displays all the posts you've liked, whether it's your own or from other users. It's a convenient way to revisit content you have found valuable. In the Progress tab, you can track your progress across various types of content. For example, it shows how many quizzes you've attempted, articles you've read, courses you're enrolled in, and videos you've watched. Whenever you mark a video as seen, it updates the progress count here. Similarly, attempting quizzes and enrolling in courses will reflect on this tab. Below this, you'll find the Liked Content section, divided into tabs for easy access. All shows all the content you've liked across categories. Separate tabs for articles, quizzes, and videos allowing you to filter by type. In the Contents tab, you can view all the content you've created. This tab is organized into 3 categories: Beginner, Intermediate, Advanced. Here, you'll find sections for quizzes, articles, videos, and courses. You can use the search bar to find specific content by typing its title and clicking the search icon. Each tile displays relevant information like title, description, number of likes, and other metrics. From your profile, you can directly interact with each content type. Click the View button to access and attempt the quiz. Click the Read button to open and read the article. Click the Watch button to watch the video. Click the Checkout button to access the course. That concludes our overview of the profile page and its features. With these tools, you can easily manage your posts, track your progress, and explore your created content. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring!